Okay, just gonna go over the trade while I'm still here in the morning. This is just a demo trade. I'm just messing around right now. Don't worry about that. But we'll go over the trade I took today. So I was bearish going into the day. Um, just because we had made such a high extension. I marked out equilibrium on the 4 hour from this low to this high. And then 1 hour we did just sweep this liquidity prior to market open. And we seen legs downwards, so I was bearish. But let's see. Yeah, I was bearish. 5 minute order flow was bearish. Inverse this gap, but there's also London high or London low somewhere around here. It was already swept though, pre-market. Um, Anyways, I seen price push down already into equilibrium. That was gonna be one of my take profits. Price pushed down into that, and then macro opened, and I seen a break of structure out of that. So it kind of told me like that's all we needed to reach was equilibrium, and then we were going higher. So we seen 5 minute break of structure to the upside, and then I was kind of looking for longs after that. Um, yeah, so I traded after the macro, which is fine. Um, we broke structure on the 5 minute and then pushed down into this 5 minute fair value gap. And I was waiting for news as well. Yeah, news came out at 7. And then, yeah, pushed down into the gap. Seen a couple bullish moves out of it. And I didn't really like them because it was just like consolidating. And then I was just waiting for this 1 minute break of structure to get in. And we broke structure, so I got in right here. And yeah, I don't really know how to target or take profit when we're already at all-time highs, so I kind of just went for a 1-to-1, which it didn't end up hitting the 1-to-1. However, I kind of seen that coming just because of all this consolidation. With all this news, I keep getting stuck in trades that are just like, I don't even know, wick work. But I got in and it slowly went up, and then 7:30 news came out. I tightened my stop loss for that. I think I put it at the top of this order block here, just because I didn't want to lose a bunch because news were to come out. But news came out and it broke structure again here, and then there's just this random massive candle afterwards, and then I seen this bearish candle, and I assumed we were gonna inverse this gap, and so I kind of just closed at this, which it's not really a good win today. 0.8, not even a 1-to-1, but I don't know. With all the news, I just want to be careful. I'm hoping next week it clears up a bit. I don't have to worry about it so much, but yeah, that was pretty much it. And then, so we've swept all-time highs now, and we did the same on ES, and then after this inverse gap, and then, oh, we didn't test this fair value gap. I thought we did. That was what I entered off of anyways, was this getting tested, kind of. Yeah, shouldn't have done that now, but it's just demo anyways. I'm just messing around. We'll see where this short takes us. ES, I think, would have been the preferred trade. The price action wasn't great coming into my trade, but it did test this 5 minute fair value gap, and then at 7:10 was when I went long. So I could have just went long here, and I would have made a much better risk to reward. I don't know why ES just pushed so much harder. I was skeptical of this 5 minute SMT that we made. Well, we did make. ES swept these highs, where NASDAQ it didn't sweep these highs here. But might have been here. I was at 7. And just another reason to de-risk, but yeah, I don't know, we got a 5-minute break of structure now, retrace, and we're seeing bearish candles out of it. I wouldn't be surprised if we want to go lower now. Yeah, I'm just testing out this trade. It's quite a bit after when I would take a trade, that's why I'm not using my funded account, but yeah, I don't know. Pretty simple. We'll see what happens on tomorrow. Peace out.